This is the Best Stocks to Buy podcast. We use our proprietary algorithms to screen, analyze, and rank over 6,000 stocks every week. This podcast is made possible by Connor Management Group, a registered investment advisor firm. If you've been enjoying these podcasts, we're sure you'll like our Saturday morning newsletter just as much, if not more. It is informative but light and includes personally curated articles on investing, money, and just plain leisure fun that we think you would enjoy. Just visit our website at www.connormg.com and click on newsletter to subscribe. All right, on to our presentation. Hi, everyone. This is Matt Connor with Connor Management Group. And this week, we're going to look at the best small cap stock to buy right now. Today is Monday, July 6, 2015. And the company we're going to look at is in the communication equipment industry. And we see its 6-month upside potential at 29.2%. And going on to the next slide, we see that the name of this company is called Polycom Incorporated. Their ticker symbol is PLCM. And once again, they are in the communication equipment industry. And we see the 6-month upside potential at 29.2%. On to the next slide is the quick facts slide. Here's a business summary description. Polycom develops and manufactures unified communication solutions, also makes telepresence, video, voice, and infrastructure solutions. Solutions allow face-to-face collaboration with being in the same location. So this is kind of a fancy way of talking about their basic products, which is kind of a high-end conference room speakerphone for allowing multiple participants, and they also do a lot of video conferencing, provide a lot of video conferencing solutions as well. Their website is www.polycom.com. That's POLYCOM. They are headquartered in San Jose, California. They were founded in 1990. They have 3,525 employees. Onto the products and services slide. What we have here are some pictures, a photo of a Polycom logo. We have another photo saying voice collaboration solutions with a picture of 3 people in a conference room. And on the table of the conference room is one of these Polycom speakerphones. Additionally, there's another photo that says get more done with the power of video. And it's 3 people in a room with a camera pointed at them, and they're looking at 2 large monitors, of one of which has the person they're speaking to, a picture of the person they're speaking to. And the third photograph says truly unified Microsoft collaboration, and it's 3 people in a room also with some type of fancy I suppose video capture device that could capture multiple people, but the 3 of them are looking at a single monitor, and on that single monitor are squares of, let's see, 6 different people. So pretty straightforward. Their products and services slide. That's what we have here. On to the next slide is the metrics slide. Over the last 12 months, Polycom had $1.4 billion in revenue. They also had $67.3 million in net income over the last 12 months. And they also had $216.7 million in cash from operations. The operating margins for 2014 were 11.9%. And for 2015, they're tracking to be 15.0%. And that is a nice increase. Onto the valuation metrics. The trailing PE ratio for Polycom right now stands at 23.0. And the forward PE ratio stands at 17.3. The PEG ratio is 0.8. Anything at 1.0 or lower is usually a value buying opportunity. The price to sales ratio is at 1.1, also somewhat low. The price to book ratio is at 1.5. And the enterprise value to EBITDA ratio stands at 7.0. The dividend yield is 0% for Polycom. On to the next slide is a picture of the price chart for Polycom over the last 12 months. And over the last 12 months, Polycom is down 15.1%. Over most of the year, the stock kind of been in the trading range of around, say, $12.50 to just below $14. And the company experienced a pullback about maybe 3 to 4 weeks ago from that $13 range down to $10.95 around there. So the reason for this pullback, from everything we can tell, is that one analyst downgraded Polycom, and they essentially believe that Polycom's revenue is just not going to be as solid as the company's communicating it. We personally believe that it is a buying opportunity, and they were a lone wolf as far as their opinion. On to the next slide. The next slide is, we call it the why now, the bull rationale for buying Polycom. And there's essentially 3 reasons. Basically, over the next 1 to 2 years, Polycom's revenues per share are expected to increase. They're also, over the next 1 to 2 years, they expect to decrease and have a decrease in earnings per share as well. And that's already evidenced by their improving operating margins, which we spoke to earlier. And the combination of those two leads to future low valuation metrics. So low valuation metrics in the near future, that usually creates pressures by institutional investors to buy the stock, and hence push the stock price up. On to the next slide. We have a summary slide for Polycom. The financial statement quality for Polycom is solid. They can handle their debt without much of a problem. The operating margin trend, as we mentioned, is increasing, and the price pattern trend, is declining. The company experienced a recent pullback, and we think that's a buying opportunity. Overall market outlook is flat to somewhat negative. Basically, we're seeing a lot of overvalued names right now, more than undervalued names. But we don't think that there'll be a major market pullback, only because the economy is performing quite fine, and the economy is doing well, and its near-term outlook looks well. So we don't think that there'll be a major sell-off, although a pullback would not surprise us. So the recent closing price for Polycom was $11.04. The 6-month price target we have is $14.26. Consequently, our 6-month upside potential for Polycom is 29.2%. And our next slide is our question slide. And at this point, we're going to see what questions have come in. And let's see how we do this. All right, we have a comment here from the best stocks to buy. Hold on a second. I have to. I think I may have to stop screen share. Let's see. I have to turn off the screen share, and here's the question, or question is not appearing. Let's see. Maybe I have to turn on the camera. Please bear with me. Okay, turn the camera on, and here we go. Here's a comment from the best stocks to buy. It says, this is a test for the comment tracker to confirm that the bird dog has found the bird. Yes, that's completely meaningless, but we are doing a dry run to see that the comment tracker works. So all of you out there, you will receive future instructions on how to submit comments. Pretty straightforward, and they will actually become part of the video for other people to see. So we will go on to the next comment. And the next comment is from, Mathis Connor. And here it says, this is a test comment from Mathis at Connor at the Connor MG profile. Yay, go Polycom. All right. So it looks like those two comments held and came through. And essentially what this means is that the camera must be on. So I suppose that means I'm going to need to be camera ready, I suppose. Let's see. So to come back, let's see. Does my camera, is there a way? So once the camera is on, no, because I'm just wondering how to clear the comments back. Oh, I guess pressing the upper green bar does that, and it brings the camera back to me. So I guess this isn't too scary, but I've got the first part of this to work with the questions and comments. And Polycom, we really do feel like Polycom is a quality opportunity out there right now. And I guess I'll leave this up on YouTube so people will know it's a test run for our Polycom stock review, and they will be able to see how they will be able to submit comments and questions, and I can hopefully provide you a quality answer, and your comment and question will become a permanent part of the video and podcast. So I'm going to go back to screen share, and we're going to be finished with the questions, and I suppose I should call this questions, comments, and answers. And we're going to go to our outro. So I hope you found this presentation interesting and valuable. And it was for all those reasons that we believe that Polycom is the best small cap stock to buy right now. All right. Talk to you soon. Just to close, remember that Connor Management Group is a registered investment advisor. In addition to being a source of quality stock investment reviews, we are money managers, not financial planners. Our sole goal is to grow our clients' savings and retirement accounts in a personalized manner as quickly as possible using one or more of our strategies. We can manage all or just part of your IRA account, as well as a regular taxable account. Just visit us at www.connormg.com to review our service, or just give us a call at 281-947-2201. Have a great week.